Hi everyone, this is Dan and the Future Holds Crypto. So I'm back today with a video because I think it's more important to be here when the market is acting irrationally, when we have dips and people are starting to panic, rather than being here when everybody is euphoric and say that everything is going only up, no corrections ever, everybody's happy investing in clown coins or Dogecoin or some other shit coins like Shiba or stuff like that. What happened since yesterday? Probably if you're investing into this sector, you've seen a lot of downside, and I'm going to use CoinGecko because I don't trust CoinMarketCap because lately I've seen a lot of things on it. For example, XRP. The circulating supply of XRP was down by 10 billion overnight with no explanation. I tried to ask them on Twitter, no explanation there either. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but CoinGecko seems to be a little bit more stable. And as you can see, for example, here with XRP still has the same circulating supply as before. So I don't exactly get why they're different in values. Probably maybe they're using different APIs or stuff like that. But in any case, I'm gonna use this one. So you will see that we have 10% drop for Bitcoin, and in general we have drop in the market cap the crypto market in general, and of course you know that it was this tweet from Elon Musk saying that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchasing using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transactions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin energy per transaction. Okay, well, first of all, I'm not sure exactly what he's meaning about the transaction, but in general, Bitcoin network is using the energy to keep the network secure. That's one thing, but we have this, and everybody panicked. Everybody's you have seen a huge drop in Bitcoin. I mean, I'm not sure exactly what Elon Musk is trying to do here because first of all, he's the one who decided to go with it a few months back. He should have known this when he chose to do that a few months back. Also, I believe that besides that, I'm not sure it's exactly only his view here. Maybe he had some problems in the board with Tesla, because there were a lot of mentions on the market that the mission of Tesla is not necessarily on par with using Bitcoin, because Bitcoin uses a lot of energy and Tesla is not about that. Maybe he had some problems with the board, and it was this way to solve these issues within the company. Maybe, I don't know exactly. This is of course speculation. However, he also actually mentioned on Twitter, I've seen it a month back or something like that in April, saying that actually Bitcoin is not so bad for the environment because it uses renewable energy. And I believe there were some numbers there with 70%. But in any case, Elon Musk has been has had a lot of influence on the industry lately. I'm not sure what he's trying to do here, but with the Dogecoin, literally sending Dogecoin to the moon and stuff like that, and he seems to be trolling the entire industry. But anyway, I want you to zoom out here and see the big picture, because one thing is that, as these guys say from Morning Brew, zoom out, Tesla still has more than 1 billion in Bitcoin holdings, and Musk said he wouldn't sell any more. Get that to your head, right? So they are actually holding and deciding not to have any transactions with it. So also they mentioned something else. They're going to look in crypto with less energy, and if they're not choosing Dogecoin, hopefully not, because there are a lot of other legit projects, not joke ones or meme ones out there, that actually have a very low energy consumptions. And for example, XRP is one of them, and there are others too, Algo, Cardano. So if he's going to look in another direction, this actually might be very bullish for the industry. So it will be interesting how this thing evolves. Also, there has been another development yesterday, because people think that this is the main reason for why the crypto market has gone down. And if you look here, for example, it was quite dramatic. If you look here, so it's since in one day it went down from 58 to around 45. Right? It was a big drop. But also it started to rebound. I think the volume is not necessarily that big. I'm not sure. It's a discrepancy here. The volume is not showing something huge yet. But look at the entire crypto market. The market cap of the entire crypto. It went down 17%, right, in one day. Well, does this look to be the result of only one tweet? I want you to please zoom out, because this is not the only thing that happened yesterday. You had a discussion for inflation yesterday. US inflation sees biggest jump since 2008. Consumer prices jumped 4.2%. And basically, this is, I believe that this is the biggest thing that happened yesterday. And what happened afterwards? Because if you look here, look at the S&P 500. Since that came out, we've seen a drop of 5%. It's small than the one in March, for example, but it's a big drop. And Dow Jones had 5% ish as well. So yeah, you would say, yeah, but 5% is not that much. Okay, well, bear in mind that 5% from these two, Dow Jones S&P 500, is around $2 trillion that disappear from the market in a few hours. $2 trillion. That's almost the entire market cap of the crypto. So now it's around 2.2, but you understand what I'm saying here, right? And usually this is the markets are kind of correlated. At least at the beginning, when there's a market panic, a lot of assets are correlated. It's very much it's important how they will react after it starts to rebound. So you remember in March 2020, when S&P 500 went down with 36%, well, Bitcoin went down with 50% or something like that. So they are correlated, at least in the beginning of the panic sell. And the funny aspect of this is that people are panicking because of the inflation, and they chose to sell from the market. Well, this is what the markets do in general, from what I've seen here. Of course, I'm not an expert. I've been here for a few years, but and I cannot say that I prove myself yet. I'm on the way of that, but let's just say that I've seen a lot of movements in the market, and that show the irrationality of the move at that point, because people sold with the panic of inflation. Well, sold what? Crypto and stocks, which are actually a hedge against the inflation. Well, let's just say that this panic sell represents the people that don't have a lot of knowledge on how the things work in the economy. And of course, a lot of other people will realize this and will actually try to find a hedge against the inflation. And I do believe that stocks and crypto will be a very good hedge against this. And the more and more people will realize this, and this is actually will be a reversal, in my opinion. And this is not financial advice, but I believe that, in my opinion, I believe that it will actually be bullish on the mid-term. So we see a small blip on on the markets, and I believe this is the main reason for the entire crypto going down like this. Not one tweet from Elon Musk. Yeah, of course, it helped. It helped, especially with Bitcoin. But in any case, I believe this is the main reason, because markets are correlated. That's what I wanted to tell you. And basically what I'm saying is that I believe that at least yet the trend was not broken. It's still bullish. And actually this inflation thing and the fact that Elon actually specified that they're not touching their 1 billion Bitcoin, and they're holding and they're looking into other more efficient cryptocurrencies. This put together, I believe that when people start to zoom out, this is actually bullish. So this is my view. And by the way, there's something else going, maybe something that crossed my mind. Maybe if they had some problems in the board with the fact that Tesla was associated with Bitcoin, with was energy consumption and stuff like that, and they wanted to basically dissociate themselves with Bitcoin. This is an interesting way of doing just that, but also it's like hitting two birds with one rock, because well, to some degree they dissociated, but however they are still keeping this billion in Bitcoin, which is a very good hedge against the inflation that was announced yesterday, exactly before this tweet. So it's basically this is an interesting thing to play it. How to play this situation, if this is my speculation is true, related to the board and the fact that they wanted to dissociate because it was not good for Tesla image. But in any case, this is, I believe that if you zoom out, this is actually bullish, and we'll of course we'll have to see how the markets react, because there are a lot of other variables and nobody can actually tell you for sure. And if they actually mention that they know for sure what's going to happen, well, be very skeptical about it. But in any case, this is it for today. I wanted to show you my view, because some people are started to panic, and actually every time something like this happens, even myself sometimes not panic, but it's not a very nice feeling. But I would tell you that this is when I would actually buy it. You have to go against your feeling, and I don't think the trend was broken. If I see that the trend was broken, I'm gonna come back to this channel and I'm going to tell you that. But for the moment, I think we're still on the bull trend, and this cycle for Bitcoin has not ended. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, and keep on going.